says as soon as you get your extension, you can apply for your waiver. That's going to be dependent on the program that you're with, because some program sponsors will react negatively towards applying. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, we will be looking at how to apply for your J1 visa waiver. Now a lot of people ask, when should I apply for my waiver? Or is it even legal for me to apply for a waiver? Well, if you are on a J1 visa and you would like to stay longer in the United States, and you have that 212E rule on your visa that says you have to go back home for 2 years, the only way you can stay in the United States is if you waive that visa. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see step by step how to apply for your J1 waiver. When you waive that visa, you must have plans to change your status, whether to a H1B or whatever status you have planned to change to. If you need more information about what is a J1 visa, I'm going to leave a link here. So, when do we apply for a J1 waiver? From my experience, after getting my 2-year extension, I waived my visa in the 2nd year of that extension. So that would be my 4th year as an international teacher. May, in my 4th year, that's when I put my application in, so the waiver could be ready in hand in my 5th year to transfer to H1B. Please note that the J1 waiver takes some time to process, hence the reason for me to apply ahead of time. And I am speaking from the Jamaican application process. You want to be careful also when you apply for your waiver, depending on the sponsor that you're on. Some sponsors will tell you to leave the country as soon as you apply for a J1 waiver, so you need to take that into consideration. However, in some instances, it's not a problem, and you can apply for your J1 waiver as soon as you get that 2-year extension. So let's take a look at how we apply for the J1 waiver. And as I said, from the Jamaican perspective. So once you go on the website, I'll leave the link in the description below. You click on the link to apply for your waiver. It shows you step by step what you're supposed to do. And you can go ahead and read through the different steps and get a better understanding of what is going to be required of you. So feel free to play around on the website and read on the different information. There they talk about the no objection statement, and also they give you steps on how to apply for the waiver here again. So it's always good to get some background knowledge before you jump into it. But I'm going to show you how we go on the specific section and put our application in. Once you get on this page, you're ready to start your application process. Once you read through and you accept the privacy and computer fraud statement, you can move on. There, they will give you some more information about what is it that you're going to be required to do. Once you hit next or submit, you are there to start the process. You read your information and you go along. Please note that if you had family members with you, they are also added to your application. Now the process is very straightforward. Once you hit next and you're on this page, this is where you're going to fill your information out. If you're not using a lawyer, you're going to click on that to say no, and you're going to put your personal information in. They're going to ask you for your family members' information or on your J1. Those are your J2 dependents. You're going to put their names also. And you're going to make sure before you start this, as I said, you have your no objection statement and your statement of reason. You should have those saved to your computer so you can copy
those statements and paste them in the specific areas. You will see them on the application form where there's a box where you can type it in, but it's going to take a longer while. So I would recommend have those ready and saved. So when you get to these sections, you copy and paste, because also this will time out and you get logged off and you got to start the process all over again. So follow basically the form, fill it out, it's easy, and move on. So here it is, as mentioned on this page. This is where you can copy and paste your no objection statement in this box. And on the next page, you copy and paste again your statement of reasons. I will leave samples of these in the description below, and you can modify them for your own purposes. So you continue filling out your application form, and please note that there are different areas that you're going to be sending your checks to. It's actually 2 checks. One that's going to be going to the Department of State, and one that's going to be going to the Jamaican consulate. And it's 2 different addresses. You want to take note of those. I will leave a link in the description where you can read further, and the addresses are there where you should send your checks to. Previously, I know one check was for $120 and the next was $50. I am not sure if those figures have changed. If this video has been helpful for you, or you know someone it might be beneficial to, go ahead and share this link, and also give the video a thumbs up to show that you appreciate it. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bells on. This section is where you're going to put your family members' information on, as well as yours. You're going to need numbers of your DS 2019 and also your service number and program number. So have those in hand so you can enter that information. I am not applying for a waiver, so I'm not going to put those information in. This is just for demonstration purposes only. I will not be able to go further because I'm not going to submit, but it is very straightforward, as you see so far. If you get to this point, you're almost there. So go ahead and complete it.
So that's how you apply for your J1 visa waiver. If this video provided the information you needed, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, remember to share with somebody who is going to be applying for their waiver. Subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet, and I'll see you next time.